Welcome to InvestoSphere, where we turn simple ideas into income streams. Today, we're diving into one of the most creative and profitable ways to make money online, selling custom digital wallpapers for phones. In an age where everyone carries a smartphone and personalizes it to reflect their style, offering unique and visually captivating wallpapers is a business with massive potential. And the best part? You can do this from anywhere, without inventory, and with very little upfront cost. In this video, we'll guide you through everything, from designing your first wallpaper to setting up your store, reaching the right audience, and maximizing your profits. So stay tuned, because if you have a creative spark and a desire to earn online, this might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Section 1. Why digital wallpapers? Let's begin by understanding why digital wallpapers are a goldmine. In 2025, smartphones are everywhere. People love to customize their devices. Digital wallpapers are easy to create and sell repeatedly without restocking. No shipping. No physical product, just digital delivery. Huge demand on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and even your own website. Think about it. Millions of users change wallpapers every month. If you tap into even a small segment, you could generate consistent passive income. Section 2. What you need to get started. You don't need to be a professional artist. Here's what you need. A basic design tool like Canva, Adobe Photoshop, or Procreate. A computer or tablet with internet access. A clear niche or theme for your wallpapers, like minimalist, nature, abstract, motivational quotes, or seasonal themes. A payment platform, PayPal, Stripe, etc. A storefront, Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or your own site. Start simple. Build your skills as you go. Don't worry about perfection. Section 3. Choosing a profitable and picking the right niche is essential. Here are some ideas: aesthetic themes, pastel, neon, vintage, zodiac, and astrology-based wallpapers, motivational and productivity quotes, nature and landscape photography, artistic illustrations or patterns, K-pop or fan-based themes. Research what's trending on platforms like Pinterest, Etsy, and Instagram. Look at what people are buying. Section 4. Creating your wallpapers. This is where your creativity shines. Tips to make them attractive. Use high resolution, 1080 by 1920 for most phones. Keep them clean, not cluttered. Stick to a consistent style across your collection. Bundle sets together, like 5 or 10 in one pack. Create wallpapers for both lock screens and home screens. You can design using tools like Canva, free and user-friendly, Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop for advanced users, Procreate. If you have an iPad, consider buying affordable graphic assets or fonts from sites like Creative Market or Envato Elements to boost your design quality. Section 5. Pricing and paying. How do you price your wallpapers? Single wallpaper, $1 to $3 bundle packs, $5 to $5 to $15 premium themed collections, $20 and up. Offer value. Give people reasons to buy bundles. You can also offer seasonal discounts or freebies to grow your following. Section 6. Where to have several powerful platforms to sell on. Etsy, huge marketplace for digital goods. Gumroad, clean platform for selling digital downloads. Shopify, best for full e-commerce stores. Creative Market, if you're making highly artistic content. Also consider social platforms. Pinterest, visual search engine. Instagram, showcase your designs. TikTok, create behind-the-scenes or wallpaper reveal videos. Build a small audience who loves your style. Email lists work well too for repeat buyers. Section 7. Marketing. This is where most people fail. Marketing. Use Pinterest to post your wallpapers with links to your store. Create short videos on Instagram Reels or TikTok showing wallpaper previews. Collaborate with micro-influencers to get visibility. Offer a free wallpaper in exchange for email. Sign UPS. Use hashtags smartly. Hashtag phone wallpaper. Hashtag aesthetic wallpaper. Hashtag digital download. Stay consistent. Post regularly. Treat it like a real business. Section 8. Scaling your business. Once you get traction, think about scaling. Create new collections monthly or for every season. Hire a freelancer to help design. Expand into other digital products. Lock screen widgets, icons, planner pages. Run small ads on Pinterest or Instagram. Bundle with other creators in your niche for co-selling opportunities. This is where real income starts. turning your hobby into a brand. Section 9. Common mistakes to avoid and make these. Errors. Copying others' designs using copyrighted images without permission, pricing too low, ignoring mobile optimization, giving up too soon. Consistency and originality will set you apart. Learn from your mistakes and grow over time. Success is there. Are creators making hundreds to thousands per month from wallpapers? Some have turned it into full-time income. These aren't tech geniuses, just people who stayed consistent, created great content, and marketed well. If they can do it, so can you. Selling custom digital wallpapers for phones is not just about making money. It's about expressing your creativity and building a passive income stream with minimal investment. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, support our channel by subscribing, liking this video, and dropping a comment below. Your engagement helps us reach more aspiring digital entrepreneurs like you. Also, let us know in the comments, which wallpaper niche would you love to design for? Now, a question for you before you go. If you could make money designing wallpapers about any theme in the world, what theme would you choose and why? Let's build a conversation in the comments and maybe inspire someone to take their first step today. Thank you for watching InvestoSphere. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep earning.